0. Let's see if I can get this straight. Turn the key forward. Look how much fuse I'm getting.
Yeah, it's doing 2 time. Hey,
Subscribe to my channel.
Buddha.
You got power.
Yeah, it's doing 2 time. I do everything. Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page. The box on 8. The paint still wet. Look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too. I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too. With them 30s on that.
What up, what up, what up, what up? Alright, man, it's also the next day, y'all. So I got to researching on YouTube. So that was telling me I need to try the fuel pressure regulator. Said it gets to start if it, if gas up in there, up in them lines, it'll cause it to do that too. So I watched on YouTube where a guy, he cranked it up, had it running, then he took this off. And when gas started coming out of this, that means it's bad, because gas was actually shooting up in this vacuum line and causing it to do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to fast forward it, but we're gonna crank it up for a minute, and then we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna sit here about 2 minutes and see if gas come out. So my thing is, see if gas coming out of here, because if it is, it might be getting up in this air intake, so causing it to do that misfire. So we're gonna try that. So like I said, we're gonna sit here 2 minutes. That's the next day, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'm just trying different things, because at the end of the day, even if I buy a fuel pump, what if it's still doing this, or what if I haven't went out here to try this? So we're gonna try this, give it a shot, and go from there, man. And if y'all having this problem, it can be that. So, but we're gonna see first. So y'all just bear with me. All right, so I just bought a fuel pressure regulator. I mean a pressure test. I be buying some shit, but I do need it. like they said, first thing first. All right, we got 0. Let's see if I can get this straight. Turn the key forward. Man, I'm at 20. And it's dropping low. Alright, I just turned the key back. Let's see. Burn all that gas out. Okay. Right there, 20. Drop it low. Get her a crank. Better crank it up, man. Hey. That's how much. Look how much fuse I'm getting. That's crazy. I ain't gonna get no gas. Damn. Look at that. That bitch supposed to be 55 to 62. That motherfucker be 55, 62. So, just let me know, guys. So, one of the two. The fuel pump or the fuel pressure regulator. Now, maybe the fuel pressure regulator is not letting all the fuel pump. You know what I'm saying? Well, letting all the fuse through is not calculated right. So, that's crazy. That mode's supposed to be at. I don't know. It's like I want to buy a fuel pump regulator, but I might well just go on and buy one. So really, that's how I'm glad I found that. So I know now, like, it's the fuel is not getting enough fuel. So by that being said, like I said, a fuel pump probably not pushing out as much as needed, or the fuel pressure regulator. Man, that's crazy. So we gonna get back on YouTube and figure something out real quick. Okay, guys, so I'm glad I bought this thing, man. So I'm glad I bought this, man. So guys, we'll get back with y'all, man. Let me do some more research. All right, so what I did was I ain't crank up, I just turned it forward. So it only built to like 20. And then now it's starting to drop. So on YouTube, they told me, go in the house, take a sip, eat a snack, come back, and if it drop, then you can possibly have a few regulator problems. Because now, when I turn it over, until it build back up to where it's supposed to be, then it'll start. But I'm guessing if it was at a standstill, it'll automatically start. So they said the gas could be going back into the return line or something like that when it drops like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace my fuel filter and the regulator, and then we're gonna try that. And if that don't work, guys, then I just know what to do next step. But pretty sure some of y'all probably having the same issue. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this fuel regulator, because I had to think about it, y'all. I had problems like when I took my car. Before I even took my car, it was already giving me a hesitation problem. Now before that, if y'all watch my old videos, I was having problems with my fuel injectors, right? That was clogged up and stuff. So all that stuff was clogged up. After I took them out, it started running good. But it could, like I said, my pressure regulator, it could be messed up because of that too. So we just gonna still replace it, man. If y'all having the same problem, it might be that issue. So, all right, guys, wish me luck, man. So we just put a new fuel filter and a pressure regulator on there. Just put a new pressure regulator on there. So now I'm finna go and test it. So we're gonna sit y'all back down. Oh, wish me luck on this, but at this point, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Right now, she's reading 0. She's trying to get where I can. All right. Right now, she at 0. I'm trying to Q forward. Okay, she a little higher now. She at 30. She a little higher. Okay. Still at 20. So guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait until the fuel pump come in. So I'm just gonna park it right now. I ain't gonna do nothing. Like I said, she's still running everything, but it's not getting the correct fuel like it's supposed to. So with that being said, we gonna just park out the way. We'll come back to it, man. So this video gonna be probably two days of videos, but I'm gonna try my best to make it short as possible, man. So y'all can see what all I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the regulator back, man, because I didn't need it. Thought I needed it, but I didn't need it. So we're gonna take it back. And like I said, man, we're gonna wait till the fuel pump come in, put it in, and show y'all this, man. So stay tuned.
lights, I do everything. Yeah, I do everything. Yeah.